Okay, day 2 on getting this mess fixed. It was way more complex than what I expected it to be. Here's some video of what it looked like when we got everything unburied and started the water up. There was a good reason as to why it was all so soggy and wet. Even now, the water's been off for 7 days, and we are currently still got water that is just leaching up through the soil and up into some of the pea gravel that we've laid down, so we weren't getting our feet and everything all muddy. But here we've got the backflow. This is a new city code ordinance that needs to be done to be able to prevent any contamination, because this particular system is connected to city water through an individual line, and then there's individual line that runs to the house. But to help not contaminate, this has to be put in. But now we've got a place to be able to attach a quick adapter for blowouts, just a quick release for the air compressor. Put that on, blow the lines out, and we won't have the problems with cracked manifolds again. We are currently got everything plumbed in and ready. We've got the manifolds, as you can see. There's one with 3 valves on it. There's one with 4. Those are getting ready. We're going to be installing those here in just a few minutes. So we're going to go from there. Okay, manifolds are in. Not the prettiest we've ever done, or ever, but we're going to check it for water tightness and make sure that we don't have any leaks anywhere. So keep the fingers crossed.
I'm going to open these valves.
Now let's go. Okay, take number 2 on water fastness. Looks like I just had to tighten up that seal, and we're about to turn on the water, and if we're good to go, we're going to have, all we got to do is just finish it up and we're done. Yep. Whoop, shut off, shut off.
Sprinklers are on. Well,
all right. We're good on water tightness. Now we've just got to wire it up. Okay, that's it. We're done with the manifolds and with the valves. Got the seed down with some peat moss covering it so we can get some regrowth of some grass back there. But today's video is sponsored by the letters D-O-I-T-R-I-G-H-T, otherwise known as do it right. Because if you can't do it right, don't do it at all. Because it takes a lot of time to fix crap work. Now I understand that a lot of folks, they like to go and try to get the lowest bid. But the lowest amount of money isn't always the best. I'll bet you if you were to look right now at your tennis shoes that you've got on, are they the absolute cheapest you could have bought? Why not? They're the cheapest, isn't that the better deal? Or do you realize that the cheapest of shoes can sometimes be the lowest quality and they'll fall apart, break, and the next thing you know you're spending even more money to buy a new one? Or they're not the most expensive because the most expensive are so far out there that they're beyond your budget. And I'm not telling somebody to extend themselves, but be smart about what you do. Hire the right person. Get somebody that's going to do the right work the right way, and you will save money and time in the long run. I promise you that. But as you can see, I'm gonna close out this video. We've still got the nozzles left to redo and the sprinkler heads, but we'll be doing that once I get the parts in. But this video is dedicated to the memory of Doug Spires, who is the owner of this home, and his lovely wife. They run Elite Choice Real Estate here in Utah. And I'm wearing a shirt that has a quote from his last post that he ever made before he passed. And it simply says, be humble, stay focused, be respectful, and love others. Something we probably could use a little bit more of these days. Hey, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for notifications on any future videos being posted. Also, like, share with your friends, and comment down below. It really helps. And we'll see you in the next one. I don't know about that lower flag, but we'll be all right with it for now.
Yeah.